Play with survival elements. Complete missions for the mafia. So it's the mafia that we're completing missions for. I always thought we were a Russian spy. Well, an American spy, I should say, because the very first mission that you do, you blow up a fucking bridge. Apparently the mafia didn't like that bridge.
Fuck that bridge.
Fuck that bridge in particular. Do you want to skip the tutorial? No, because I'm sure the entire game has been changed.
Пассажиры и железнодорожники. Частный перевозчик товарищ Миша принят обратно на грузовую линию. Желаем вам приятного и безопасного
They actually have a
путешествия.
mafia shop? Excuse me?
Sorry, what? That is a very, very intriguing question, but needs to be answered now.
Hold on, I need to turn up sensitivity. Sensitivity is so fucking low. 10.5. Okay, it's no. Yeah, that's a bit better.
Старый товарищ, пора вернуться на железнодорожные рельсы и доказать, что ты лучший в своем деле. Выполняя свои обязанности на железной дороге, ты одновременно будешь работать на сибирскую братву. Ты знаешь, что это непросто, но я обещаю, что тебе...
I love how there's no English mode, other than the subtitles.
Сколько времени у нас ушло на то, чтобы убедить директора заново оформить третьего лицензию?
Because I don't know Russian.
На перевозку по маршруту до Красноярска, и его нельзя подвести, иначе снова попадешь в ГУЛАГ.
Wait, did that just say take you back to the gulag at the end of that?
The gulag?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it said he'll take you back to the gulag. Hey, I made it to the mafia shop. The fuck is this on the ground?
Okay, so there's one cop on, and it's literally just a cadet.
Is a kid? What the fuck? Hey, I think this guy's drunk. What do you think?
Nah, I think he's fine.
You know what you should do? Hop in your EMS and
I still have my
fucking...
advanced radio and everything.
You still got that? Oh, yeah, the advanced radio doesn't have durability.
I still have my pistol as well.
What? You still have...
My
Did they
pistol?
disable durability?
So my pistol's still here. Looks like... Oh, I still have ammo too. So my pistol's still here. Ammo
it's
still
not
here.
like
Still have
Lucid.
regular lockpicks.
Yeah, it's not like Lucid, where not everything has durability. I forgot about that.
Do you remember how to use the garage again?
You think I remember? I can't remember that shit. It was coded fucking stupidly, and I'm sure they've changed it already anyways. Mafia shop.
Well, I tried to flex my old muscle. It didn't work.
F1?
Yeah.
Leaving the gulag is like entering a whole new world. Nevertheless, anything remains the same with us. Here are our strict and loyalty to the boss's key. You cannot let us down because you will not get a second chance. Damn. Look, it's a Kalashnikov
Oh, look at that.
with 7.62 by 39.
Yeah, that's an AK-47.
Why does it have to be called a blah 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 blah?
Well, because AK-47 was made by a guy called Kalashnikov.
Yeah, same thing, different meaning. Anyways, time to walk across the railroad tracks. I'm sure this is not going to run into any repercussions. Hey, dude. Wow, look at how fucking tall these buffers are compared to me.
Oh my god, there's a fucking thing on the bottom of your screen now that tells you what the speed limit is in miles per hour everywhere you go.
Oh, for fuck's sake, do they actually fucking regulate that?
Looks like it.
Yeah, I'm not playing that server. Fuck me. That's already going to be problematic because of desync. Desync will make you either go faster or slower than what you're actually going.
Yeah,
And
but I
then-
reckon that
Наконец-то можно продать эту кучу хлама.
And then you've
В нем
also got the fact
постоянно
of
что-то
traffic
ломается.
lights. I told them they
Stop.
probably should not be regulating that because there is no syncing between clients for traffic
no, they've
lights.
changed the traffic lights. They're not even standard game traffic lights anymore.
No, they've changed them all, so they're probably all locked in. So now you'll probably get pulled over for fucking running red lights as well.
Yeah, they're not base game. They look like different to normal traffic lights. I don't know if they are or not, but they do look different.
It could just be a shader pack that they're using. Anyways, press E to open. I'll just close that. I'm sure it's fine. Time to figure out how the hell to operate this thing, because I know there's a lot of switches. This entire side of the cabinet just has switches.
So here's my question, right? Are we gonna have like are they gonna do right on red or?
I don't know, because I don't even follow Californian law.
Which is where this is supposed to be, and I know in California, right on red is a thing.
It's right on red in every city, unless it specifically is said in the city rule, in the city, like, in the city that
No,
it's not.
Set per state. It's set per state.
I looked it up and it's not per state. It's just
It is.
depending on city
It is.
restrictions.
No, it is per state. Some rules have it different. Some states have it different. Some states do right on red. Some states don't.
Yeah, though.
Yes, and then cities can set it independently as well. Yes, this
Huh?
is true. Some cities can say no, even in a right on red state.
Yeah, because there's
But
states that.
Cities cannot allow right on red if their state doesn't.
Yeah, because like in ATS, there is nowhere that actually fines you for right on red. I have never once run into a right on red light violation unless the game is doing something stupid.
I have several times.
Because I have in California gotten red light violations for turning right, which I completely ignore whenever those go
See,
off
what it
because it's
is-
a game.
What it is in ATS, one of the problems with ATS is a lot of it is where you turn from in ATS. If you turn from the wrong place,
You turn from the
Like, if
wrong
you turn
place to find the right
wrong way.
place.
so if you turn from a lane that isn't a right-hand turn lane, you will get fined.
Yeah, though I have turned from a right-hand lane and it's still given me the violation. It's not very consistent.
No, it's not. Don't mind me driving the wrong way down the road. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm sure if you run into that cadet, his car is going to be so underpowered it's not worth it.
Like I say, I'm in a rubbish truck, so I'm not going to run very far. I'd probably just get out and shoot him, honestly.
Get out and fire at him, eh?
No, because that'd be considered KOS.
Yeah, even though that it really shouldn't, because it's a cop, you should never expect to not have someone KOS.
Yeah, but see, the thing is like you're not allowed to shoot without an interaction. That's the problem.
Yeah, it's a little stupid, that.
Which is kind of dumb, because you're telling me, right? You're telling me that I can't just start a shootout without, I can't just start a shootout. I actually have to cause a scene to have a shootout.
Yeah, though at the same time, if you're a wanted criminal and you're being pulled over and you don't want to go, and you don't want to have to deal with the police because you know they.
You can't just start shooting.
Yeah, you can't
It's
just
dumb.
you can't just shoot him. Even if you are a wanted criminal and you know that if anyone sees you They are going to they're gonna start shooting you. Like
it's fucking stupid that there has to be a scene before shooting. But the thing is that also applies to cops. You can't shoot. A cop can't just start shooting because they know that you're a wanted criminal. They have to like ID you and check. They can't just start shooting you because they know you. Which doesn't make any sense either. I suppose it gives you a chance to run, so I guess there's that.
yeah. And I mean Jester was also a shit driver. I got away with him in about 2 minutes in the Remus,
Dude,
and my Remus wasn't even like good.
Dude, I'm gonna be honest.
I mean, he first sent me into the fucking construction site first after ramming me at like fucking 60 mile an hour.
Every time I started a cop chase, I escaped.
Yeah, the dumbest thing is the way that he started the chase was I was having fun around with Sunday, and then he just comes in at fucking 60 miles an hour and absolutely slams me into the construction site.
Yep.
He completely fucked his own tire, but then he just did /fix on it.
I was like, yeah, he would have just cheated it back.
Yeah, he just cheated it back in because I looked away. Because I was trying to just figure out where the hell he went, and then I look back. I look at him. He's missing a tire. He's driving away. I look away,
suddenly...
look back, and then he's just driving back at me with 4 tires.
Yeah. That's the problem. Cops can't be admins because they will do that and they will abuse it. And that's why I always record when I play 5M RP servers.
Yeah. With the doors and the windows closed. Turn on the radio. Oh man, I need to turn on dispatch. What a bitch.
Yeah, so I always have OBS in the background recording every time I play RP because I know that shit happens all the time.
No, you gotta use the free trial shit, man. Like half of the fucking people do. You gotta use Filmora Pro.
Metal.
That
Metal sucks.
Yeah, Metal's not that great. My Metal's completely fucking broken.
I swear, if my car is not where I parked, I'm gonna fucking rage so hard.
I love how I have to get the dispatch order before the engines are even on. I'm literally killing the battery right now, people. That and the main reservoir is now powering up even though it's in emergency braking. Right.
Jesus.
Oh god, there's an attention control button. I'm sure that can only break. And I have to wait for this to charge to 4 kilos per square meter. That's such a weird measurement. Your main reservoir has to be charged to at least 4 kilos per square meter.
Yeah, that's like PSI but metric. KVM.
Couldn't you just done PSI though? KVM needs to be reset.
The other thing is that's about the only imperial measurement we use.
This is also a Russia thing.
Yeah.
Russia, they decided to make it per they decided to make the reservoir per kilo for whatever reason. Yes, I know that needs. There we go. There's still the field generator is not on. Turn on the VU switch to activate the locomotive control system. Oh, there it is. VU is designed to connect the control circuits of the electrical locomotive low voltage power source. Control generator or battery. Yeah, well, I already did that, so why do I need to flick that on if I've already done that? Because I had to start them both up and then I needed to turn it on? Without VU, it's not possible to operate yet. I can start everything using the conveniently placed control panel right here.
God, that is one of the longest tutorials I've ever seen in the game.
Yeah, because you have to constantly press F. I'm not even reading it half the time because there's also these lovely little markers that allow me to just... Okay, well... Okay, that one is a drag one. Lovely. It's not just a press E like everything else. That one you actually have to drag. Oh, no, it's not even letting me drag it now.
It's still that same cadet on mine, too. I love that.
Signalization on... Dim illumination... Handles heating... Projector light...
One thing I hate is that there's no, like, cruise control either. Like, cruise control would make the speed limits tolerable.
I feel like I probably need to don't need to turn on reservoir venting, because I'm sure that'll cause problems. You keep it.
Sure.
Ah, that is annoying. Ah!
What is annoying?
That sound.
I couldn't hear it, so I'm good.
Don't worry, I'm pretty sure it maxed out my fucking OBS.
We love that.
I mean, hey, you won't fucking ignore that one. That fucking loud. Green light means that the movement is allowed up to 60 kilometers an hour. Yellow means you have to slow down before the next railroad signal to at least 40. What if I don't? Yellow and red lights mean you have to stop before the next rail. Yellow and red light means that you have to stop before the next railroad signal. Yellow and red.
Yes.
Wouldn't red be you have to stop at this one, not the next one?
Yeah, but because Russia uses dual signal, so it's two lights. Two reds means full stop here. Yellow and red is a caution, and green is good. Yellow and yellow is I don't know.
Yellow and yellow is also a caution. Because yellow and yellow means you have to go 40 before the next signal.
Yeah, I don't know why they do it the way they do it, but they do it.
Weird fuckers. Red light means you have to stop immediately because there's another train between you and the nearest railroad signal. Yeah, because the AI knows how to not run into me. I've had it happen where AI spawned on the same line as me while I'm stopped.
Well, that would be hilarious.
And it full on bricks the game when you do that. Like, you have to fully reload and you have to go all the way back to the next stop. Oh, hey, look, they've got the conveniently placed red, yellow, and green. I'm pretty sure if I follow this, I'll be okay. Fuck the signals, I look at the middle of the console. White light means that the nearest railroad signal has not been detected and you have to proceed with caution. I found the next signal.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally right there.
I mean, there's two of them that are like there's three of them. Look, they're all flashing yellow. They're only flashing one yellow though. The bottom signals are having a field day. Having time off. I love how these use actual engines, but is electric powered apparently. Because there's full-on engine controls, but this is an electric locomotive.
Diesel? Electric?
I guess. But last time I played, you never had to actually fuel up the locomotive. And all this equipment was constantly running. Oh, lovely. Oh, joy, there's a breaker panel that has a single thing that you can do. You can only do the battery on the breaker panel.
We love that.
Oh, hey, look, it's a yellow light out here.
Oh, things have evolved.
Yeah, it's in the other cabin. I should probably close that. Because I don't have heating on in the other cabin, and I'm sure this place is only going to be freezing otherwise. I love how this game has both Celsius and Fahrenheit.
You know, but
It's crisp 19 degrees in this cabin. Where's the heater? The heaters are on. Not a very good heater. Especially, I'm pretty sure that's the heater as well.
little itty bitty.
Oh no, I'm pretty. Are they both heaters? I think there might be 2 heaters in here.
I mean, it's in Russia, so shit does get cold.
Next step is to prepare the brake.
Looks like they made us be able to hold sustenance a bit better, at least.
Brake blocking, yep. Oh, braking is blocked. Release that, so now I can actually use my brakes. Yeah, I'm sure 8 fucking kilograms per square meter is a fine amount to be released and charged to. Maintain pressure above 5.7 for more than half a minute will expose the locomotive to damage. Do not exceed this limit. Well, why the fuck did you tell me to exceed this limit? You dumb fuck? Just like, yes, I'll make it to where you have to leave the brake supercharged for more than 30 seconds because of the tutorial length. Good luck dealing with that one. Yes, shut off without supply. The pressure is dropping. Oh no fucking shit. What the fuck is turned on? There's this fucking racket in here. Good lord. That little fucker. Yada, braking, yeah, don't fucking overcharge it, got it. Go to the second cabin! Go to the cabin in the second? So you want me to go all the way over here? Is that right? Yes. If you want to drive this section, you have to turn off the locomotive and pull out the panel lock key from the control panel in the first section and insert it into the control panel in the second section. So just to turn around, you need to restart the entire locomotive.
Yeah, that sounds totally not flawed.
Set the blocking handle. And the brake is also locked in emergency here, but I'm sure it's cut out. Wait, do I have to release it in both cabins? I think I have to release the brake in both cabins. Well, I don't need that part of the locomotive anymore, I don't think. Yep, you have to do it in both cabins. They both have independent handbrakes.
Lovely. Well, they have adjusted the fuel consumption as well.
Yes, I love when I put my reverser into position M.
M.
Position M. Do I know what that does? No, absolutely not. Also,
Oh,
they have a brake hand. They have an independent brake here, but it's been unavailable since launch.
Oh, at least the highway speed limit is 85.
Set the main handle to the next position to speed up. So position 1. Oh no, position 1 does speed up. What the hell? That already went to position 6. How many positions are there? There's fucking 37 positions.
Love that.
And I have a lovely white button that'll yell at me if I speed up too quickly. Oh, what the fuck? How many pigeons just shat on my windscreen?
That looks like snow, but anyway.
It probably is snow, but why does it look like that? Where's the window wipers? Window heating. That's probably an important one to turn on. Too bad it's not going to let me. Oh, there's the wipers. Oh, look at that. I love how there's only one speed for the window wipers. And that they're independently operated. And make the greatest sound of all time. Don't you love these Windows wipers? Like, look at how much of an area they clear versus the window.
Brilliant, man. I don't think I've ever seen anything better. Does that game have multiplayer?
That's a great place to put the fucking operating manual.
Doesn't look like it. $100 in an 80 zone. Whoop whoop.
Yeah.
Hey, Doug. Some cops show up and just try to pull me over.
Did someone just try
So
to come? Did the cadet try pulling you over?
He followed me for a split second, and as I didn't slow down and just kept blasting, he's just turned around and drove the other way.
He doesn't want to deal with it.
He's like, you know what? On second thought, I think I'm just gonna go. But that's okay, because
Yeah, because the thing is with speeding, like, I would not personally enforce that. I would not personally enforce speeding and red lights, because I've got better things to do than to try and chase someone who is going 200 miles an hour. Because, you know, if they're gonna be speeding, they don't expect them to stop for you.
Oh no.
Because the thing is with Jester, when Sunday was streaming, he would do these like exercises where he would be like speeding past and we had to communicate and shit like that, and he would immediately pull over.
Yeah.
And realistically, that's not going to happen.
Nah, you're gonna be chasing. People are gonna run.
Because then after they
I run even if I've done nothing wrong.
yeah, because the thing is it was a shit show to begin with because people weren't even understanding simple stuff. Because I was getting told one thing, and then all of a sudden the plan would have changed, and they didn't at all say anything over the radio.
Why would they?
Because they would tell me to go somewhere. And I went over there, and then I wouldn't hear anything. And then I would see people flying down from the other way. And it was simple instructions, and they weren't even like, yeah, it's fucked. Okay, yeah, no, I don't think there's multiplayer. Look at that, it's a passenger train. Choke, choke. Don't you love how many tracks there are on this yard?
Beautiful.
And then you just got the one guy that's just walking down like he owns the place. Fucking hell. Thank you, tutorial. Wouldn't let me access the brakes until I had gone severely past. Oh yeah, also, did you know that you can die if the train is traveling more than 5 kilometers an hour?
What?
If you step out of the train while it is moving more than 5 kilometers an hour, it instantly kills you.
Right. Makes total sense, I guess.
You have to wait for it to come to almost a dead stop before you are able to step out of it, or else you just die on the spot. Time to change it from M to MR. Yes, I love my visibility. Do not exceed the speed limit of 5 kilometers an hour. Yeah, fuck you. I ain't traveling that fucking slow. Granted, where is the speedometer anyways? Oh, there's the speedometer. You can observe the train in inspector mode. So I have to open this mode to be able to see where I'm going. Wow, I can go real far away from the fucking locomotive, can't I?
Wow.
This is the top corner. Yeah, I also can't control the locomotive at all while in this view, so I can just sit here and watch as I careen into cars.
Love that.
Man, the snow is... Look at the frame rate. Look at what it's doing. It was running at 80. Man, why is the snow causing my frame rate to just die? Oh hey, I connected into the wagons. Let me guess. Maximum transit time is 1 hour. I can't use the brakes. This tutorial is so fucked. I can't use the brakes to stop the train. Next step is to apply the brake. Yeah, I'm fucking trying.
Oh my god. Because they've changed the bank account, our shared bank account is now gone. With all the money in it.
Go figure.
I'm gonna talk to him about that.
The locomotive is ready to drive. So those cars were just... You don't need to tie air into them, and you don't need... So we've got a train brake. I've just connected to the cars. Shut the fuck up. So I've connected into the cars. I have a main train brake, but I don't need to go hook in air, and I don't need to go turn off any handbrakes. Yeah, seems about right. I can press X to sit down. Well, why would I fucking sit down? Considering that it makes it a tad bit lower, I'd rather actually be able to see. Yeah, I'm sure I'm not absolutely just dragging this consist along with brakes tied. love how there's also this brake handle, but you can't do anything with it. Oh hey, I can turn on window heating.
So here's my message to Kay. All right, me and my friend had a joint account before you switched the banking systems. We had all of the shared money in it, about 1.2 million. It's about what we had, yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
We were saving to buy a business when they became available, but since you changed the bank system, all the money in the other account is gone. Is there anything I can do about getting that money back, or should I just quit the server entirely?
Yeah, that's valid. Because that was like, what, like a month of just straight grinding?
That was, yeah, a lot of straight grinding.
Field generator is turned off. Field generator unavailable. But I'll turn it on anyways.
You know a game we should play at some point, Bill?
What?
7 Days to Die.
7 days to die at one point. Yeah, probably. Should probably also Twitch integration it, because might as well.
Yeah, may as well.
In a moment, you will need to lower the pantographs. Lowering the pantographs is typically used in areas where overhead lines are present, such as electrified railway tracks and where there are sections of the track where overhead lines are not energized. So you mean I should lower them now because I have electrified rail lines above me? Is that what you're telling me? That I need to lower my pantographs because there is live wire above me? I see absolutely zero difference in having them up right now because they look perfectly fine to me. Raise the pantographs. Oh boy, green and yellow. That means I've just cut the throttle, I think.
Слушай внимательно. Настало время выполнить свою первую задачу. Нашему положению угрожают враждебные группировки.
But it's a pretty reasonable question to be asking. Can I get my money back, or should I just leave? Because that's pretty much the sums up the two options we have. Either we get all that money back that we grind into hard for, or we never touch the server again. Rubbish. Like, I can forgive the crap if we can get our money back.
Yeah, like, I could forgive it if the server has indeed changed.
Yeah,
But if they're gonna stick to stuff in the past, then it's not worth it. Oh, I gotta stop before the next signal.
It will inevitably get better eventually.
You'd want to hope.
But the question is can we get our money back? Because if we can't, I'm not interested. Because that was a lot of money and a lot of work.
Yeah. I love how they have a yellow and red light where they've just got a line in the middle of two LEDs.
It works, doesn't it?
Yeah, it works for that dumb fucking signalization. Man, where is this next signal? Fucking hell. I'm just fucking tripped. I just heard one of the switches flick, but I don't know which one did it. There's that many. Oh, hey, there's my... Wow, okay, I'll just dump it. Really? Even with dumping it, you're still going to overrun the switch. Wow, that is a shit break. Oh, well, I'll just casually fucking reverse then. Shit fucking breaks though. Like, God. Oh God, is that a light? That is definitely a light. Come on, reverse faster, you dumb fucking locomotive. Yeah, I'm sure a single track bridge from triple track is not at all a problem, especially with the shit fucking brakes.
Oh, hey, look, because that's a train coming towards you there.
Yeah, because I overshot the signal even in emergency, because that's how slow it slows down in emergency at low speeds.
Imagine the train kept coming towards you and it slammed into you.
I hadn't run over the switch yet, so I assume it would have been fine. Because I stopped on the switch. Oh yeah, I need to switch out of reverse. But yeah, shittest brakes of all time goes to this locomotive. Shut up. Man, while I proceed with caution, the nearest railroad signal is not detected. How? What am I out of cell phone range of the next signal? Nikita is waiting for you on the other bridge. Take the package and explode from him. Yes, let me explode from him. High speed cooling turned off, fine. I'll fucking turn you on. You happy now, you piece of shit? Apparently I'm not driving it optimally either. Oh, now the brake actually fucking works. What, did I need to run him in? Hello, Nikki, blah 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 blah.
Ради этого момента я трудился часы, дни и недели напролет. Как пиротехник, я
A pyrotechnician.
разноцветные
Yes, you have worked as a pyrotechnician to make a bomb.
восхитительные картины в небе. Я ухожу отсюда, и я всегда должен действовать профессионально и заботиться о безопасности.
Заложи взрывчатку на мосту. Только смотри, не взорви при этом свой поезд.
Just be careful not to blow up your train in the process. Well, that would be an ideal thing, not to blow my train up at the same time, wouldn't it?
Ideally.
Got 15 minutes to explode the bridge. I mean, the real question is, my rear end still anywhere near the explosive planting point? Because... Oh, that's brilliant.
It's not even touching the rail. We love that.
Oh, hey, look, I'm off the bridge. I love that there's rails there, and that the rails are suggestions. The rails are there as suggestions on where the train should be driving. Because I don't think it would be particularly hard to make it to where they would be resting on the rails. Man, man, look at how close you plant the explosives. Like, look at this. People walk underneath the bridge here. Why don't you do it out in the middle, where it disrupts the... Oh shit, that's 30 seconds! It's not a 30-second time, what the fuck? Jesus Christ, get off the bridge. Why the hell would you set it to 30 seconds? Wouldn't you want to set it like 5 minutes so that it explodes when you're gone? Is it gonna blow up?
There we go.
Jesus Christ! Oh hey, I look. Thank you. Is the bridge gone? No, it's still there. It does have a hole in it though. And it's on fire somehow. How the fuck is it on fire? The sleepers are made out of concrete and the bridge is made out of steel.
При изготовлении бомб передай его Борису. Это ученик Никиты. Он ждет тебя в здании вокзала Новосибирск-Главный. На это у тебя 1 час 15 минут.
I have an hour and 15 minutes to deliver the package to Boris. It's Boris I gotta deliver it to. I also love how no one is thinking that a train stopping here on a single single track section is suspicious at all.
Why would that be?
Especially when the bridge behind the train just blew up. I'm sure my actions will have no repercussions towards my job. Or my life, because this is Russia we're talking about. Anyways, tally-ho. IWZ, not my problem.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Hello? Me. How much power do I need to put into this thing to start? I need to put in a PA just to start? Fuck me. I also love how it looks like I'm running against traffic now. Because look at the direction that that signal is facing.
Huh. I'm sure it's fine.
I feel like I'm supposed to be on that track.
I'm sure it's fine, but...
I mean, I also have no idea when the next signal is because I've got a white light.
I was gonna say, can you actually control the switches?
No, that one's a CTC switch. It's the CTC. It's like the railroader CTC mode. I can only control specific yard switches.
Right.
There's a very limited amount of switches that are not governed by a dispatch panel. Man, it really feels like I'm going against traffic for no reason. Oh, hey, look, there's a second track up there. So I assume that's, like, a station track, probably. That's probably, like, the main line, and I feel like I'm probably going down, like, a branch. Probably going down the goods line, actually. Because, you know, people don't need to know that there are goods trains running on the same line as passenger trains, question mark. Look at that! There's a yard over there with an incredible banking for the exit line. Look at how steep that track is. That is a steep entrance for a yard. Approaching a dangerous place, you say? Shut up, button. God, I hope I can uninstall that button without any repercussions. Oh my god, the next railroad signal is 1.8 kilometers ahead. I didn't realize it actually told me in the top right where everything was. Hey look, the wagon disconnect area is up ahead. Guess I'll just coast in. Unless I need to stop to flick a switch. Or I just slow down incredibly quickly, so that's always an option. That's lag. What the fuck was I just loading in? On track 1 at platform 6. So why is platform 6 track 1? Oh shit, there's a railroad switch. Yeah, this isn't a confusing junction at all.
No.
You know, I see nothing wrong with this junction, with it only being more like 8 tracks wide? Something like that? It's 10 tracks wide? All coming in from like three tracks? 3 tracks split into 10? Yeah, that makes sense.
Fine.
Looky there, there's a railroad switch. Because none of these guys could be asked flicking it for me. Like, look at that, there's 4 guys all over here, and none of them thought it was a good idea to maybe flick the switch.
Oh no.
So instead, I'm pretty sure my rear is out on the main line still, while I have to come to a stop for the switch. I don't even think I've completed the tutorial yet either. Hey, look, there goes a passenger train. Choo choo. That was one long passenger train. Holy shit. Yes, field current. 230 amps. I would not want to be touching those wires.
Yeah, no thanks.
No thanks. Don't worry, they're only at 3.2 they're only 3.3 thousand volts at 200 amps.
You wouldn't even feel that. You would just be dead. No, maybe. You wouldn't even feel it. You would just immediately be fried.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad when you're not drawing any current. But fucking hell, 3.3 thousand volts going through those lines. Anywhere up to what seems to be 700 amps.
No ifs, buts, maybes. You would just be fried.
You'd just die on the fucking spot if that line came down on you. Because the greater part is they're all exposed wires because of contacts. Because they need to contact with the...
yes.
Yeah. So if any of these fall on you, you're just immediately dead. You wouldn't even know you're dead.
Oh no, you would just be fried instantly.
Yeah, you wouldn't feel anything. You would just die.
You wouldn't even know that it happened.
Yeah, that much current running through you, you would immediately stop your heart. Hey, look, it's a green signal. Why is there a signal in the yard? This is a yard track. Why is there a signal in the middle of it? Stop with all of the wagons in the mark section. I'm sure I can do that now. I'm sure I'm all the way in.
I'm sure they give you some leniency.
Surely. I'm sure I can check with this, because I think I can access the entire train length. Oh yeah, they give you plenty of leniency, look at that. They give you so much leniency. Make sure to apply the independent and just put that back into service. Cut lever. I love how they call it a couple lever. It's a cut lever, you morons. Yeah, fuck it, nothing can go wrong from running across multiple live railroad tracks.
I'm sure it's fine.
You're gonna make sure to look left and right.
Left, right, up, down.
Round and round. AK-47. I'm pretty sure in this game you can shoot up literally everyone with mostly no repercussions.
I love that.
I think in certain areas, if you shoot up people, you just get absolutely decimated by like 8 different AKs all firing towards you with 100% hit accuracy.
Does sound about accurate for Russia.
No, that's not
Интересно, что же в этих чертежах? Дайте мне пакет.
I would like to know what's in those draft. Give.
Я очень люблю изучать новое и пополнять свои знания. Я уверен, что эти материалы
I love the standard animations. And the fact that their legs are just glued. Anyways, time to go to the shore.
It sounds like Kay will give us our money back.
Nice. How do I have a hangover?
Мне нужна твоя помощь. Нам нужно обменять небольшую сумму фальшивых денег на настоящие. Иван сейчас в баре на станции Новосибирск-Восточный. Он отлично умеет подделывать деньги. Он передаст тебе конверт с фальшивыми деньгами.
Oh my god, I found the beer. Oh my god, you can buy a chainsaw. I have a fucking... Oh my god. You can just use it wherever. You can just use the chainsaw wherever the fuck you want. I love that.
You know, the chainsaw to go with your AK-47.
Indubitably. There's some rye bread there, some white bread there. You know what I want? I want all of these.
Хотите что-то купить?
Would you like to buy something I just did? Dumbass.
Would you like to buy some more?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm sure I've got enough till at least the next stop.
Nah, you want more.
He seems to be enjoying himself.
Indeed.
Мне нужна твоя помощь. Нам нужно обменять небольшую сумму фальшивых денег на
Noskrbishta Vostchinich.
станции Новосибирск-Восточный. Он отлично умеет подделывать деньги. Он передаст тебе конверт с фальшивыми деньгами.
I love how no one stops you from doing this.
What are you doing?
Just walk. Look at what I'm doing. I'm running back across every single piece of mainline.
I'm sure it's fine.
All like 20 tracks that they have for whatever reason.
I'm sure it's fine.
Oh, lovely. My locomotive is just absolutely screaming. I didn't turn off my locomotive and it's mad with me now because the attention control's going off. Shut the fuck up.